All right, beautiful people. First of all, you're beautiful the way you are. There's nothing you need in this life. And now let's switch over to the superficial stuff. So let's talk about Sculptra. So Sculptra is a collagen stimulator. It's the only FDA-approved collagen stimulator that helps your own body produce collagen. It's very natural. It does kick in a little bit slower. So if you're someone that needs immediate results, probably not a good candidate. Who is the best candidate for Sculptra? Sculptra is perfect for someone that has moderate amount of volume loss and is patient because, as I said before, it takes a while for the medicine to kick in. So if you're someone that wants natural results and has moderate amount of volume loss, you're perfect for this treatment. How many vials do you need? On average, I would say you need 3 sessions at the minimum to see a difference. Of course, you may need a little bit less, or you may need a little bit more. Some say you need 1 vial for every decade of life. That's another way to just kind of think about it. But I've seen most people are happy with about at least 3 to 5 vials. Over a span of about 3 months is how fast I inject them. And then you give it some time, you reassess at that 3-month mark and see how much volume you want to still have. If you want more, you can then at that time inject some more. Sometimes I actually use Sculptra to just lay the groundwork and produce the volume that is necessary, especially if there is significant volume loss. And then I add hyaluronic acid fillers to the Sculptra treatment to fine-tune. To make sure that, for example, the tear trough or the pre-gel sulcus or some other areas are addressed specifically. What is the difference between hyaluronic acid or traditional fillers and Sculptra? So Sculptra is a collagen stimulator. So really, after you get the injection, after 24 to 48 hours, you really don't see that you have any significant volume. And then the Sculptra does its magic and over time starts producing that collagen. While with traditional HA, you actually see the volume right away. Of course, Sculptra is more natural in its process and works over time and therefore creates a very natural looking result versus sometimes if you have too much hyaluronic acid injected, it can look like you had something done. Sculptra and results and how long it lasts as well as how fast it kicks in. So let's start with the last question. So it kicks in about 3 to 6 months. Of course, it's so gradual that most people don't see a difference. Most of my clients, they'll get Sculptra, they come back and they're like, I don't really see a difference. And then I show them their before and after picture and then they see the significant change in volume as well as superficial texture of the skin that I have seen based on my experience with the product that also changes. As far as how long the results will last, it will last up to 2 years. And studies show up to 25 months after patients are still really happy and 80% of patients still see results of the treatment. So it's long lasting. Well, as I said at the beginning, you're beautiful the way you are. And there's nothing you need in this life. But if you are interested in coming in and getting some Sculptra, I'm here for you. What can I say?